Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for PoohBear in Arkansas on the Stryker 655. PoohBear, get you ready to go, bud. Our tune alignment. I'll show you right here that I got your customized name on here. PoohBear. RF power all the way down. 50-watt slug. 2 watts. Roll it all the way up. 20 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. A little better than 50 watts. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, hello, hello. 100 watts. And we did put one customized Roger Beep on here. This is on the Roger Beep 1. So this will be specific to channels, so you can program it just for certain channels if you want. So we got the Roger Beep on. I'm going to key it right there. And of course, if you want to change that, you just go over to program, hit the top button. Oh, I'm sorry, hit this, then hit that, and you can switch to whichever one you want. But that is going to be on number 1. So there you go. Check 1, 2. That little echo in there with it. Check 1, 2. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, PoohBear, there you go, bud. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.